Hi, I'm Morna, founder of Incandescent Clothing. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Try-Ons. Today's episode features the ultimate fashion lover, Laura. So buckle up and get ready for your daily dose of fashion that's sure to take your style to the next level.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Daily Try-On. My name is Laura. This is my first ever Daily Try-On since working here, so I'm really excited to show you the outfits I picked today. So first of all, what I have on is an outfit that I think would be really cute if you're going to a music festival or maybe you're going on a wine tour. What I have on underneath here is the Janice dress, and this is from Franza. It's a nice viscose material, so it will keep you cool in the summer. It's got pockets and a drawstring. It's beautiful. And then here I have on top is a denim jacket from Charlie B. This is really new to the store, so I don't think it's been named yet. And then to accessorize, I have on the Felt Bianca hat, and I have the Caitlin tote in chocolate from Pixie Mood. And it's got lots of lovely little pockets, and it does have an over-the-shoulder strap too, if you would prefer that instead of the handles. So what do we think? We're looking cute. Oh, let me show you the dress without the jacket on because it's a long sleeve. I want you to see. And I think I might be stuck. Oh no. There we go. There we go. Check this out. Watch out. Now on to the next outfit. Here's outfit number 2. I'm going really casual here. I feel like this is something you can wear if you were out on town, walking along the boardwalk. I'm wearing a Franza sweater. It's called the Etta. It's a nice, beautiful Kelly green and navy stripe. We do have it in another colorway, about a blue and a white. And then I'm wearing the Kate high-rise jean. And you guys, these jeans, they fit so good. I don't know how I was sleeping on them all this time, but they're really superb. They have like a nice straight leg down through here, and it really works well with my shoes. Plus, I don't know if you've noticed these wonderful sunglasses that we have, but we have many beautiful sunglasses here at the store, and really, everyone needs to come and try these on. People have been sleeping on these sunglasses. I highly recommend that you come and buy them before I do. So, what do we think? Alright, I'm back with outfit number 3, and I have to say, this is one of my faves so far, especially this cardigan. You guys don't even know the gasp I let out when I unpacked this cardigan. Anyway, the cardigan is from Dex. It's called the Frankie. It's a beautiful pastel ombre. And then I have on underneath to layer the Liza tank top, the beautiful lace detail around the neck. And then I'm wearing the Miley jeans. These are from Charlie B, and they've got the wonderful little detail on the ankle. And then I have on the Kim backpack, which one thing about this backpack is that it can turn into a little side bag there. Anyway, I feel really cute in this. I feel like I could go to that art gallery. It's going to bring me back to my NASCAD days, to be honest. Anyway, on to the next outfit. Hi everyone, back with outfit number 4. This one feels pretty cute and casual. It's what's that, like, not a romper. It's like a denim tank dress here by Dex. It's called the Faith. Beautiful peach color. And then we have this floral denim jacket by Charlie B. This one's called the Maui. And so I feel like, yeah, I'm kind of going to like a casual party. Maybe a picnic. Maybe a little theater out in the public gardens or something. Alright, we're back with outfit number 5. I am head to toe in Charlie B right now. These are all new to the store, so I'm not sure what the names are yet, but I have to say I am digging this 5. I didn't think I would. It's a little, it's been a while since I've done the 70s thing, but everything's super comfortable, super soft. This is actually a skirt. It's got beautiful embroidery detail along the bottom. Underneath I have a silky pink t-shirt. And then on top is this super soft crochet number, which I really love. And I'm really digging all the soft pinks. It's feeling very like, again, with the music festival vibe. Or maybe you're going out to like get something from like a food truck and like sit in the sunshine. And then the beautiful, beautiful pink sunglasses. I own a pair of these, but we have one more at the store, so come and get them. And you too can be also a 70s babe like me.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more great fashion content every day.